Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Drive for app file workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.google.com. In the upper right corner, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google email address in the provided field. Click Next to proceed. Input your password in the password field. Click Next again to complete the login process. Once logged in, navigate to the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner. Click on the Google Apps icon, typically represented by a grid of dots. From the drop-down menu, select Drive. You will now be directed to your Google Drive homepage. If you are using the Google Drive app on mobile, launch the app from your device. Tap the Sign In button on the app's welcome screen. Enter your Google email address and tap Next. Input your password and tap Next again. After logging in, you will see your files and folders on the main screen. For file workflows, locate the file you want to work with. Simply double-click on the file to open it. You can now edit, share, or download the file as needed. When finished, ensure all changes are saved automatically. To log out, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged out of Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.